Hello! Today we are going to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browser on this OPPO A94 5G smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. Here scroll down a little and find the app management category. At the app management, go for the default apps, browser app, and here all that it's left to do is to select Opera by simply tapping on it. That is also the second way to make Opera the default app for browsing. It can be executed directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, go for settings, scroll down, find the default browser section, tap on it, click next, and here just set the Opera, or should I say select the Opera as your default browser as we did from the settings directly, and just make it the default browser once again. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.